Hey guys, Mr. Fan 57. Welcome back to another video. We're at a friend's house for a sleepover. I said I wasn't gonna film, but I guess I will. So here's the fan in the living room. It's unknown. I don't know the brand. Here's the fan, fan. Turn it back off. That's the only fan downstairs. Yeah. Yeah. Going upstairs is another one of those, but it's just this one's wobbly and on a longer down rod. Works pretty good. Here's the light. And my friend's sister's room is a Hampton Bay Littleton. It's crappy. It makes noise. Hear that? It's terrible quality as usual, as you see at Littleton, because it's the newer version. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, turn that off. And then in my friend's room, look what he has. A Hampton Bay Rothley. The same fan's in my living room. When I saw this fan, I was like, oh my goodness, same fan I had in my room. My living room. Yep, it's a Hampton Bay Rothley. Just has the reversible blade showing. On high, it does make a little noise. Here's low. Yeah, it's cool. I have the same fan in my living room. Yeah. Show the fans one last time. Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, Hampton Bay Rothley. Really cool. Yeah. There's that again. There's that again. I'll show you the downstairs one more time. And then there's that again. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and more videos to come.